Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best rain barrel in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. FCMP Outdoor has been a leading brand in the production of outdoor solutions for homes in North America. Manufacturing rain barrels for over 25 years now, this particular brand has garnered a respectable reputation in the market and is widely hailed as the benchmark for all water tank producers. With their ergonomic design and efficient functionality, the Rain Catcher rain barrels by FCMP stand out amongst their contemporaries. This water tank is a perfect amalgamation of a classic wooden barrel design and modern working features. The rain barrel boasts a large opening that provides ample surface area, and the flat back construction facilitates the process of installation and placement of the downspout. The top of the rain barrel features a spoke and wheel pattern that is an added measure for the safety of children and pets, so there is no danger of the pets falling into the deep barrel. There is also a system to manage water overflow. The back of the barrel comes with an overflow connection that enables the extra water to flow down and underneath the cistern to direct it away from foundations. An exceptional feature of the rain catcher is the presence of spigots on the side of the barrel, which allows you to connect multiple barrels to augment your water storage capacity. This water tank also contains an aluminum mesh screen that filters out dirt, debris, and flying intruders such as insects and mosquitoes to keep the water clean and free of any disease-causing pathogens. Other accessories include a 40 garden hose, shut-off thumb valve, overflow hose, hanging hose clip, and a linking kit for coupling with additional rain catcher barrels. First on our list of the best rain barrels is the Good Ideas RW50GRN Rain Wizard Rain Barrel, a product that looks and feels like those classic barrels from the pirate movies we all saw. Features-wise, this barrel is all of the pro stuff. It can hold an impressive 50 gallons of water, and with a weight of 18.54 pounds, you will have no issues with carrying or moving it around when you need to change its position. The product has a UV-resistant polyethylene resin material, so you can keep it outside for as long as you want and rest assured that the rays of the sun won't affect it. At the same time, most users have recommended that you give it a little bit of a wash before you use it, as well as from time to time. The green color is an excellent choice for outdoor environments, and its quality means that it can stand the test of time well. The only problem with this one is that it has way too small holes on its filter screen. The tag on the side also claims that it has some chemicals that could cause cancer, so you might want to be careful with having it around your children or pets and even you. For some other useful product for your garden, check out our list of the best electric weed whackers. Water Prepared is committed to ensuring that you are always prepared for water emergencies, as you can never be too cautious when it comes to saving water, right? Whether you live in the city or the suburbs, this massive water container will get you through water shortage for a considerable period. All you need to do is to install the rain barrel in your garden, backyard, or garage and collect rainwater or fill it up with water using a garden hose, and you are good to go. The container boasts an impressive pool retaining capacity of 55 gallons, which is sure to last you reasonably long. Manufactured with a highly durable polyethylene material that is FDA NSF compliant and BPA free, Water Prepared water storage tank will withstand tremendous water pressure for decades. The trustworthy construction of the barrel makes it last super long, so you do not have to worry about replacing it for ages. The spigot is integrated right into the design of the barrel, which grants ease of use and instant access to the water by linking the spigot to a basic garden hose. The best bit of the container is the reinforcement with specially blended UV-resistant plastic, which keeps your water ultra-clean, hygienic, and safe for drinking, making it the best rain barrel to store drinking water. The cherry on the cake is the space-saving stackable design that allows you to stack multiple barrels on top of each other. If you own a pressure washer, you will surely be interested in some of the best pressure washer hoses from our list, so check them out. Next on our list of the best rain barrels is the UK10 rain barrel from Enviro. Here, you have a rain barrel that was manufactured in the United States. The fact doesn't say much about its effectiveness, though, but rest assured that you're getting a solid rain barrel. In terms of capacity, the Enviro World UK10 Free Garden Rain Barrel beats its predecessor. It can hold 55 gallons of water, and it's capable of holding all that in without bowing or leaking. It's made from recycled materials, but the manufacturers went on better and threw in brass fittings. While it holds up for a while, the truth is that you will most probably be in the market looking for a new rain barrel in a year or two. Recycled materials can really only get you so far. Still, everything else here is aces. It weighs just 17.51 pounds, and the combination of colors is healthy enough for you to keep it outside. The product also has a mosquito-proof seal, and it's free of any chemicals that could pose threats to your health or those of people around you. Also noteworthy is the addition of a flat square design that allows the rain barrel to hang onto a wall seamlessly. You will need a handy watering can as well. This spectacular beauty has an old-world charm. This water container by RTS Companies Incorporated that is an absolute stunner. It proudly flaunts its oak barrel texture with a wood grain finish that grants it an authentic rain barrel look and feel. This barrel is sanded and hand-painted, a feature that adds to its visual appeal. But its looks are not the only incentive that should compel you to purchase it. The amazing features add genuine value and make it a complete package. The RTS Home Accents rain barrel exhibits a flat back to sit flush against a wall and can hold 50 gallons of water easily. This barrel is the ideal device to collect and store rainwater and also accomplishes the dual objective of saving both water and your money. It features a front side overflow to protect the water from flooding against your exterior wall. An elegant brass spigot with a shut-off valve connects to the front, which you can hook up to any standard garden hose. An aluminum framed screen that is also rust-resistant prevents bugs and debris from entering the barrel and contaminating the water. The opening of the barrel is child and pet safe. Bring this baby home today to benefit from all its amazing properties and own a unique piece of water storage device.